Conference Vibe. After 152 videos, including 6 live streams and over 75 fact checks, our coverage of CES 2026 closes. CES 2026 featured over 148,000 attendees, including 6,900 media and 4,100 exhibitors. Registration and badge pickup occurs across all of Las Vegas, from the airports to all of the hotels. Likewise, CES spans all of Las Vegas. Mandalay Bay hosts the press events on Sunday and Monday. Unveiled is also held at Mandalay Bay at the end of Sunday. ARIA hosts media innovations much like what is shared at the NAB show here in Las Vegas every spring. Venetian is home to Eureka Park downstairs. Eureka Park features country pavilions, so one can metaphorically travel around the world to see how tech is advancing globally. The second floor at the Venetian hosts many sessions and vendor suites. Venetian Expo Hall hosts health and lifestyle. Enjoy our walkabout. Additional coverage on health tech can be found in our coverage of HIMSS 25 and our upcoming coverage in 26. Each location also hosts its own eateries, with the Venetian featuring the cafe and the bistro. The newly finished Las Vegas Convention Center was absolutely shining for CES 2026. Everything but the South Upper was leveraged for the event. West Hall featured autos and eVTOLs, the electric vehicle in takeoff and landing, and related suppliers. West Hall also features its own extensive eatery. One can walk from West Hall to North or take the Vegas Loop ride, the Central or South Halls. North Las Vegas Convention Center was also known as Robot Hall, with enterprise AI in abundance. North Hall also featured its very own eatery. Outside of North Hall, en route to Central, there's another massive food court. Central Hall itself hosted smart tech and a lot of the major brands you recognize at home. Now that construction is completed, one can walk from the Central Hall courtyard straight to the South Hall indoors. Design and source exhibitors were featured in South Hall, which also had its very own eatery. We always try to bring you fresh vendors in our coverage. That said, you will recognize many of the brands in our walkabout from our coverage of CES 2025, CES 2024, or even CES 2020. In fact, we spotted vendors from nearly every event we covered in 2025. We once again live streamed from on site. We successfully live streamed on Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Specifically, I requested assistance on your favorite videos for my 2 segments on January 10th, 2026 syndicated broadcast edition of Computer Talk Radio. Note, we also discussed CES prepping on December 27th episode last year, and there'll be more on the January 17th episode. While on site, we conducted research for 12 additional forthcoming Whisper reports for our clients. The playlists are unlisted but available with the video edition to be distributed first via the YouTube Whisper Club upper tier membership area of our YouTube channel. Hope to see you there. Readers and viewers wishing to experience, or should we say re-experience, the entire CES event are encouraged to view the Conference Whisper CES 2026 playlist in its entirety. The playlist will be cited in the end screen, description, and in the pinned comments of the video edition. The video edition will conclude with a gratitude towards those that contributed, specifically a montage of the responses to the bonus question, what's the best part about attending CES 2026 live in Las Vegas? Welcome to Conference Whispers CES 2026 Video Edition. I'm Dr. Doreen Galli, Chief of Research at TBW Advisors LLC. The answer is always in the Whispers. Join the Whisper Club today for advanced access to Whisper reports. Press briefings. At CES, press coverage starts 2 days earlier than CES itself. Commencing on Sunday, we frequently begin coverage at Jetro's Launch It, run by Showstoppers. The event kicked off with a welcome from its leader, Mia Kwanda. Each presenter has 5 minutes to present to the press and investors and make their impression. The session featured Swipe, a technology to embed videos that enables viewers to select any of 360 degrees to watch an event. Perhaps seeing everything from any angle is just not enough, particularly when it comes to your favorite anime. Perhaps you wish you could virtually give your favorite character a hug. Gukeki out of Japan just made your dreams come true. Expect to see the tech at your favorite theme park next summer. While greeting your favorite character may send you to the moon with joy, some companies find they want to test in microgravity. The challenge is to wait for the time and expense for the ISS space station for testing. Alternatively, you can get 45 seconds of microgravity from a jet. But that time may be too sparse. Meet innovative space carrier ready to provide affordable, autonomous microgravity laboratories to meet your needs. Coming back down to Earth, maybe you just want an avatar, but you don't want to spend hours creating one. Pocket RD presented their quick avatar solutions ready to deliver in minutes. Just needing some privacy. Maybe she can hold a sensitive topic meeting despite a crowded office space. Vern Technologies believe they have a solution that will take off in their auditory privacy providing device. Office not crowded yet because you still need to hire workers, but you're afraid AI cheating during the process. AI Proctor is designed to spot and stop cheating during interviews or exams. Not worried about the cheating, but want a co-pilot to assist in your K-12 workday, even if you're a counselor? Willow may be just what you were looking for. Want to leverage your 3D printer to realize your design ideas but can't get, from English, the parts to print? Great news! Takoshi had you in mind when they created their product. After Jetro, CTA, the organization that runs CES, provides a massive press briefing on the state of the industry and the most recent data. The CTA Tech Trends video is frequently a high flyer on our channel. Major takeaways include that the global tech and durables market is projected to reach 1.3 trillion US dollars by the end of 26. The US consumer tech industry revenue projected to reach 565 billion US dollars in 2026. Finally, the awareness of AI exceeded 90% in European, Korean, and US markets, and more than 40% of people in every country used AI at work. US led the way with 63% of workers leveraging AI, estimating 8.7 hours a week saved. If you have not yet enjoyed it, you'll want to create a time block to watch CTA Tech Trends 2026. Monday is another full press day. We stuck to our niche power sessions run by the showstoppers, enabling us to bring you content not found anywhere else. The first session was a rather clever approach to quality control in manufacturing. Specializing in those areas still left to manual inspection due to a combination of materials used and shading, Bucket Robotics goes straight from the CAD file to the .step file to quality control. No massive image capture and loading and training. Simply one machine file talking to another application. Bucket Robotics solution itself evaluates the CAD file and then can accurately infer what parts match the computer design. It's as if providing the step file is a shortcut to human intuition. Or should we say, machine intuition. The next session asked the question Apple doesn't want anyone asking. What if Siri actually worked? Once the laughter calmed down, we all witnessed the demo. We all realized we can once again refer to the phone as smart as long as they're running AGI.inc's software. This really is a must-see, must-experience solution. It is very indicative of what is to come. The realization of what intelligence in our life should and could be like to empower us to spend more time doing human things. CES has always featured consumer technologies and the technologies required to realize them, including components and manufacturing. While the consumer face tag has officially left the event, the focus remains. With all of the intelligence, Industry 5.0 is rushing into realization, offering full automation including integrated quality control. To this end, Power Sessions welcomed SRK Tektronix. Born out of expertise in detailed work of diamond cutting, SRK is a new player that expects to make a huge splash in EMS. It is helpful to note that motorcycles are called tubulars in India while listening to their session. More on their booth tour later. Whether your facility is for manufacturing or a data center, energy is a common problem in industrial buildings. Strain Energy is American built and focused with 11 facilities across the U.S. Their lead batteries are built with a whopping 95% or more of materials from their previous recycled batteries. In addition, Strain Energy deploys systems in lithium and vanadium chemistries depending on what your application requires. Our final press briefing session was hosted by the National Sleep Foundation. After NSF provided a sleep data update, SmartBuds shared their brain responsive earbuds. Unlike most earbuds that just play audio, these also packed with 3 sensors. These sensors enable them to act like an EEG to pick up your brain waves, required to assist with sleeping. Specifically, they can enhance slow brain waves to maintain a deep sleep longer. Friends Brainband by Earable Neuroscience is another EEG device that was first EEG wearable that won 3 CES Innovation Awards in a row in 23, 24, and 25. It is a band around the front of the head to provide accurate sleep tracking. It has also been clinically proven to help you go to sleep faster. Finally, Tonino Lamborghini introduced the launch of her SuperBrain product that is a collaboration between Tonino Lamborghini and friends for the ultimate sleep and focus device. CES Exhibits. With the press days behind us and the show floor officially open, let's turn our attention to the exhibits. Exhibits is where the concepts introduced in briefings come to life in tangible innovations and booth experiences. Of course, our first was Unveiled, which is an exclusive event that kicks off the CES and previews some of the most innovative technologies before the main halls open. Once again, we would like to remind you to watch our previous coverage as we rarely cover a technology twice. One top 10 capture technology from last year we did visit. The ultimate chess rival in Sense Robot's automated chess game. This year, Sense Robot also featured miniature chessboards and a Go board. Unveiled set the tone for CES with strong emphasis on innovation, and nowhere was that more evident than robotics and physical AI. As one might expect, robots were quite popular this year at CES, or should we say, physical AI. Yes, physical AI is the new marketing term in 26, as agentic AI pushes the look and feel of robotics forward. X-Origin likes to describe their offering as ChatGPT in a device realized. On the industrial side, Widemount Dynamics Limited showed their firefighting robot. Despite the harsh temperatures, low visibility, and unpredictable nature of a fire, they managed to succeed in overcoming these challenges to provide a life-saving robot. Additional challenges in creating robots can be the lack of common operational control layer. Scanbotics declared they solved that problem with their brain control platform for robotics. Is model drift while operationalizing AI your major challenge? You want to explore Memorance AI, who aims to bridge the gap for your intelligent solutions. Additional challenges in AI, particularly edge AI, is that of communication. Seeking edge connectivity for your IoT device? RiseLink would like to speak to you about their solution. Medical insoles with 6 sensors, including motion sensors built in, were found at the Orphe.inc booth. Elite athletes trying to get more data, not from your motion but from your sweat? PointFit has a human applied sweat sensor and related solution ready to provide you more insights than you thought possible. If you find yourself in need of high speed data transfer rates, enhanced video capabilities, and improved power delivery, Hyper showed off their new case. Enjoy their overview of the Hyperdrive. Next, USB 4 M.2 PCIe enclosure. Mechanical keyboard your must-have list. EpoMaker shares their much-in-demand wares. Seeking custom microphones so you can come off like a pro during your next podcast? Rode Microphones LLC has an entire portfolio sure to meet your needs. Finally, need an absolute perfect bag to carry everything in? Want your laptop to be truly protected and have an easy time at airports? Targus was thinking of you with their latest announced product. From Unveiled, we continue our journey to the Venetian Expo exhibits. If you found yourself smiling your way through CES, you may just want to stop by Dentomi to ensure you keep that great smile. Bringing a dentist to your phone, Dentomi enables one to leverage their cell phone to check on your gum health. Interested more in spoiling your pets? Perhaps you have a cat that just loves wet food, but you can find it inconvenient when you go out of town, maybe to attend CES. PetKit has you covered with some very intriguing brand new products. Do you find yourself getting lost and looking for information booths often? This hybrid AI avatar customer support solution by Avita comes straight out of Japan with you in mind. If you're more interested in building your own products and seeking components, CES was there for you as well. If you are a motor vehicle manufacturer and are seeking a navigation system, Mapbox can help you get around. Furthermore, if your vehicle is fully automated, the additional information may just provide the added context to ensure passengers feel safe. Seeking to add on a haptic interface to your solution, happily share their affordable, portable, flexible haptic solution with all. For organizations seeking software in the loop, digital twin solutions, DSpace offers a compelling solution so you can get to the market with confidence. In businesses, one not only seeks technology advantages, but financial advantages when you can find them. To that end, the Kyrgyz Republic was happy to make their presence known. While the country may be small, it packs quite the punch with legal tax breaks for tech firms and a large base of talent. On site, the Republic's booth featured Beam, who, as outsourcers, specialize in automation to meet your every need. A realistic speech to text by NineNineSix.ai was also featured in their country's booth, albeit now based in San Francisco. We'll now move over to Las Vegas Convention Center. The Las Vegas Convention Center is the largest and most dynamic hub of CES. This is where scale meets diversity with robotics, automation, enterprise solution, and cutting-edge components all under one roof. One of the best parts of CES is you can see the long-established companies right next to the new on the market. Part of Merck KGaA, the main parent of Merck Group, EMD Electronics has been going strong for 350 years. They believe the key to their success is the 10% tithing of revenue back into R&D, and they were there to show off their innovations. On the other end, the new kids on the block for EMS manufacturing with success in hand with Matter. Expanding on the press briefing, we visited SRK Tektronix for a booth tour. They shared how they brought the tubular product motorcycle Dream to market while realizing Industry 5.0. Furthermore, if you are seeking an EMS manufacturer, SRK Tektronix deserves a spot on your shortlist. Have an established factory but still have portions that rely on human quality control? Are your materials plastic or metal and prone to overshadowing? Bucket Robotics may just be the vendor you've been seeking. If railway innovation is what you are seeking, Israel Railways was seeking to meet you with their extensive collection of related innovations. Power is always a great topic at CES. One great solution makes these two unexpected statements true. First, crypto mining is now possible without a separate power source. And second, in 2026, you can now turn hot water heaters into revenue. That's correct. A water heater that crypto mines is now on the market by Superheat. Got a solar system but need better battery solution? Maybe a portable battery solution you can use away from the building with the solar system? Meet Jackery, an extendable, portable battery backup solution you may have just been looking for. Maybe you don't need quite that much power, but you want an environmental friendly power solution. Meet Flint, the paper battery star of our 2025 coverage, sharing the secret of their battery's green footprint. If your requirement is ethanol, but you don't know how to create it out of thin air, yes, create it out of thin air, meet ANA Carbasia. Yes, many things are now possible in 2026. Unlike many years, much of the technology shared applies to multiple aspects of one life in different parts of the industry. For example, meet Perfect Core. Their technology is as applicable at a doctor's office as it is to providing fashion and makeup advice, all in one product and one set of APIs. Speaking of the doctor's office, Abbott is always striving to provide patients with more information and more insights to enable all to live life to its fullest. Seeking to enjoy life and get a flashback to the good old days of early gaming, My Arcade has a closed gaming system for retro arcade games. Their products allow one to re-experience the best from the early days of gaming, including Atari and Sega. Not into gaming, but you do want a great keyboard. Maybe you've been dreaming of a carbon fiber keyboard with a carbon fiber mouse? Announcing Dare You, top Asia market keyboard now officially in the US. Last but not least, for those of you who really appreciate beautiful screens, perhaps you are waiting for all these technologies to come together and enable life the way we always heard technology could provide. Enjoy the LG booth tour. We once again captured their ultra-thin screens that were on full display. In addition, we received a deep dive into the LG Signature Fridge as an example of an intelligent screen endpoint. Yet the tech from the auto sector that allows one to open the refrigerator's door with one's foot was also a quite exciting and much needed innovation. Next year's conference. CES will once again return to Las Vegas for CES 2027 to take place January 6th through the 9th, 2027. This has been Conference Whispers CES 2026. The answer is always in the whispers. Join the Whisper Club today for advanced access to Whisper reports. Thank you to all those that contributed to our research. Thinking about joining us at CES next year? The answer is always in the whispers. Have an amazing day.
So my name is Alex, the company is Abbott, and I think the best part about attending CES is just its the vibe, right? It's being around people who are passionate about using technology to improve people's lives. And in particular, those technologies have a real impact on regular folk just trying to make decisions about their healthcare in particular. That's what we're focused on. Insights that allow them to make small changes that have a big impact.
My name is Cher Berrigan. I'm here for LG Signature. And the best part about coming to CES is meeting all these cool people who have similar interests as me. I love it.
Hey guys, this is Prasad, the founder, Group CTO at Matter, responsible for technology, product development, product strategy. CES has been, 2026 has been a wonderful experience. We are here to showcase our innovations, products, but at the same point of time, there's a wealth of information out there in terms of what you see on the tech platforms coming over. Not just the digital side, the embedded side, and also the material side, and then how the businesses essentially are coming together to make world a better place. So it's been an awesome experience. Just manning the stall, we had interesting crowd, but also going around, picking up tidbits of what kind of technology inspirations we take in as we build our next generation products too. So while we have educated some of you on two-wheelers, we got educated a lot of it also on the next gen technologies happening, and I'm sure we will be offering some of them. Already it's a world-class product, but the next gen is going to see a lot more tech coming in. Thank you.
Hi, Dr. Doreen. So my name is Kevin Narola, and I'm the founder and CEO of SRK Tektronix. And we've been exhibiting here for the first time, and it was an absolute pleasure. And everyone knows that CES is the temple for learning new things. And whilst we are here to showcase our expertise and our capabilities, it is always a pleasure to learn more and more about what is coming tomorrow and what is coming for the future. Thank you.
So my name is Steven, and I represent the X Origin AI company. And the best thing about CES is that you meet so many great people. And we get a lot of new ideas, and we get to introduce our idea to the world, which makes us really excited. Yeah.
Agnes, and our company is Apple Maker, and I love CES because it gives us opportunity to show our products, and it gives us a very good opportunity to connect with our users, with our friends, and with our, like our colleagues here. We can also learn a lot from other competitors here.
Alex Page with Rode Microphones here. I am so excited for CES this year. My favorite thing is just the incredible array of people that I get to talk to who really give a darn about what we're doing here. Everyone's looking for the next cool thing, and it's nice to be a part of that.
Hi, I'm Kenny Octavius from Point Fit Technology. We're based in Hong Kong. We started out the company 5 years ago, and we've been working on with a lot of sports national teams around Asia, especially cycling teams around Europe. And we're hoping to get to the US market soon as well through the Sports Tech HQ. They're based in Indiana, where all the sports teams are based there. And it's very nice to get into CES because you can see all the people here are really tech geeks in the sense that they're really interested with the new novel technology. They appreciate the novelty of the technologies and bring us more exposure to these more and how we can improve our product as well.
We are from Whitemount Dynamics, and we are for the smart firefighting robots. So this is the first product that connects with such a lot of functions with the intelligent firefighting technologies. And we could do the firefighting technology from detect to extinguish and navigation automatically in such automatic way.
Briefings from Tokyo, and Briefings is this year's Best of Innovation. So we are very honored to be a Best of Innovation. Thank you.
My name is Peng Fei Zhang. Here, I'm the CEO for Rising, and the best part coming to CES to see so many really innovative developers. That as a chip vendor, as a silicon vendor, we love to meet with the developers so that we can help them to do really innovative and fancy stuff.
I'm Shining and working in Sense Robot, and we are in CES. That's all, okay?
The best part is that I meet people around the world like you. Thank you.
I'm Anson from Robotics, or I'll just see you. I love CES because of all these people, opportunities, and also new products. They're exciting. Like we've got robot, and they've also got robots, and we gotta see what everybody's up to, our progress, and that's when inspiration and ideas become. Like it's when people talk, like you and me. So that's the best thing about CES.
Hi, I'm Andrew Corkle. I work at Targus. I'm the Vice President of Marketing. The best thing about CES is that we get to hang out with the media. We get to spend so much time publicizing and getting all this buzz around our products. It's great to see our product in lights here at CES, and it's great that the media is here to help elevate that. That's what's great about CES.
So my name is Armik Davulakanyan. I am the art director over at Hyper, and the best part about attending CES is seeing all the cool technology everyone has and meeting all the people who are excited about it as much as I am.
This is Ryan from Dynamic. We work on the Dino AI solution, and we are very excited to come to CES because we see all the exciting companies, exciting ideas around that. We are very eager to exchange all the ideas and see what we can do together to improve the future of our healthcare.
Yeah, my name is Paul Stafford, and the company's name is Happily Robotics. And the best part of CES, wow, what's not to like? It's Las Vegas. You get to work all day, really hard, and then you get to play all night. So, yeah, it's a fun place to be.
Everybody, I'm David Snyderman, head of product marketing at Mapbox. My favorite thing about CES is all the crazy stuff that you get to see on the show floor, which unfortunately I haven't gotten to see anything yet, but hopefully I will have some time. I like to browse all the different show areas because, I feel like CES is sort of a mirror into what we're all thinking, what we're concerned about, what we hope for. So it's a really great, window into the psyche of all of us.
My name's Andrew with PetKit. Best part about CES is being able to showcase all of our great innovations and really help pet owners globally have more control over their pet's health.
Hi everyone, I'm Ulan Abdurazagab from NineNineSix.ai.
we are building real-time conversational AI. It's like 11 labs, but 10 times cheaper and 3 times faster. Love being here at CES. Our AI is applicable to edge devices, and here is mostly everything about consumer and devices. So excited to be here.
Chubak Timirov, High Technology Park of the Kyrgyz Republic, is a special legal tech zone that helps export-oriented IT companies to work globally. We do provide one of the best tax regimes in the world, so zero taxation on all main taxes like tax on sales, tax on profit, and VAT tax. So if you have a tech business, you can come to our country, enjoy our beautiful nature and our tech ecosystem. What I like at CES is that this is a real opportunity to say that Kyrgyzstan is an next IT destination, that we have a high talent, and we have even our logo, live in Kyrgyzstan, work with the world. If you need high talents, then come to our beautiful country.
My name is Artur. The best part of CES is I saw many robots. It's very cool. Some robots just for fun, some robots have future. They can make some things, they can help humans. I think future is already here.
I'm from Flint, and the best part about coming to CES is meeting great people who have sharing the same passion that we have and what we stand for.
This is Oliver Tesoro. I'm from My Arcade. We do retro gaming. Best part of CES, the atmosphere. The atmosphere of being able to have people play our games and demo our products and look at our stuff, but also just the ambiance of everything. CES is great every year, and it's no different this year.
学劇大輔高添 Important point is entertainment. Collaborations, entertainment, global anime fans hope can meet their favorite characters. For example, XR or VR. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shogo. I'm from AGI.inc. And the good thing to join the CES is that we can be connected with people from all over the world, in China, Korea, and the US, and Europe. And it's a huge event, and we got many opportunities. So I hope we can expand business globally as well as the US.
I'm the head of innovation at Israel Railways, a governmental company in the field of transportation, rail transportation, and we come here to CES to showcase our sandbox, our ability to open innovation, our ability to bring any kind of tech. We are really design partners. We bring any kind of entrepreneurs and technology to examine each tech in our fields, like a sandbox, even disruptive innovations. I can bring the challenges from the railways industry in all the world, particularly in Israel, because we are open innovation. We can examine it and we can test it, and we can do a really good design partner, and we can, the ability of us, we can invest in those startups.
Robin from DIU. This year I come to the CES. The most impressive thing is that the customer walk around is very expertise, and also I can meet some good guy and many potential distributors in the US market. We have a good communications, and also we have some collaborations in marketing, in promotion, and also in the media collaborations, something like this. I think CES provide a good set of channel that for the brand to enter into the US market, and a good chance for us to offer good quality products for the customers in the US. Thank you.
Wang Liu from Perfectco. The best part on the CES is I see all these wonderful people and this amazing technology.
My name is Bo. I'm with Jackery. Best part of coming to CES.
I don't know, meeting all the new people.
Hi, my name's Joe Casari. I work for eSpace Inc. in Winston, Michigan, and the best part of CES is all the amazing food that I get to eat all week long.
I'm Matt Pahalski here at Bucket Robotics, and the best thing about attending CES is meeting all of the different deeply passionate people who are here to see the bleeding edge of technology and show them what's possible.
So I'm Richard Harding. I work at EMD Electronics. Best part of coming to CES is just to see the future of everything that's coming. And personally for me, it's really rewarding because I see where our materials and our innovation is going. And this is what we're helping enable.
So my name is Keisuke Nakano. So company name is Carboshare. So creating the carbon capture and converting to ethanol. Yeah, so from Japan. Yeah.
My name is Aaron, and our company is called Superheat. So our biggest scope is not just to make the Bitcoin mining water heater. Our aim is to decentralize the computing resource from the centralized data center to every home. So in the future, we wish that every home can be micro data centers. Yeah, for supplying the computing resource for any other kinds of things like the cloud computing or even the future AI model training. That's our future goal. Yeah. So.
My name is Ernie Chang, not by Ernest, only the government calls me that. We're part of Panasia Company Limited. The best thing about CES, obviously, is that opportunity of seeing the future, seeing the growth. Whether or not it be next year, 5 years, 10 years down the road, CES certainly is that one spot to be able to go ahead and see that future growth and to see what is to expect not only today, tomorrow, but the many, many years ahead.
I'm Paulo Charles, I'm from Flint, and the best part about coming to CES is meeting great people who have sharing the same passion that we have and what we stand for.
This is Oliver Tesoro. I'm from My Arcade. We do retro gaming. Best part of CES, the atmosphere. The atmosphere of being able to have people play our games and demo our products and look at our stuff, but also just the ambiance of everything. CES is great every year, and it's no different this year.
Join the Whisper Club today for advanced access to Whisper reports.